Ever found yourself wrestling with a stubborn jar lid or struggling to peel garlic without making a mess? We've all been there, right? The kitchen, a place of culinary creativity and comfort, can sometimes be a battleground. We're talking about those pesky jar lids that just won't budge, or that garlic clove that leaves your hands sticky and smelling for days. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, these common kitchen struggles can be a real headache. If so, then this video will be your new best friend. Scene script. First on our list is a hack for all the garlic lovers out there. Ever found yourself struggling to peel garlic? Those flimsy, papery skins can be a real hassle, right? Well, we've got a neat trick that's going to change your garlic peeling game forever. Here's what you do. First, separate the cloves from the bulb. Don't bother trying to peel them just yet. Next, take a hard, secure container. A mason jar or a metal cocktail shaker works great. Pop the cloves inside, secure the lid tightly, and then give it a good shake. Go on, put some muscle into it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. After about 10 to 20 seconds of vigorous shaking, you'll find the skins have practically fallen off all by themselves. It's like magic, but better, because it's real. And there you have it, perfectly peeled garlic in seconds without any mess. Next up is a hack for those stubborn jar lids that just won't budge. Now, we've all been there, haven't we? You're preparing a meal and suddenly you're faced with a jar that seems to have been sealed by Hercules himself. Well, fear not, because this simple trick is going to change all of that. Here's what you'll need, just a plain old rubber band. Yes, you heard that right. Start by locating a rubber band that's thick enough to provide a good grip. Then wrap it around the lid of the jar. Make sure it's snug, but not too tight. Now, with the rubber band in place, try opening the jar again. You'll notice that the rubber band provides extra grip, making it much easier to twist the lid open. And voila! The jar is open, and your meal preparation can continue without a hitch. No more wrestling with jar lids, isn't that a relief? Ever find peeling boiled eggs a time-consuming task? Well, not anymore. Let's dive right in. It's time to make your egg peeling experience smooth and effortless with our third hack, the quick egg peeler. This hack is all about a magic ingredient you probably have in your pantry right now, baking soda. Here's how you do it. When you're boiling your eggs, just add a teaspoon of baking soda to the water. The baking soda permeates the eggshells and helps loosen the egg's membrane, making it significantly easier to peel once boiled and cooled. Remember to let the eggs cool completely before you start peeling. You can either peel them under running water or roll them gently on your counter to loosen the shell. The shell should slide off like butter, leaving you with a perfectly peeled egg. With this hack, you'll be peeling eggs faster than ever before. Enjoy your boiled eggs without the hassle of peeling. So there you have it, 3 simple but effective kitchen hacks to make your life easier. Let's quickly recap. First, we tackled the age-old problem of peeling garlic. With our easy trick, you can say goodbye to the tedious process of peeling each clove individually. Just give your garlic a good shake in a sealed container, and voila, perfectly peeled garlic in seconds. Next, we moved on to those stubborn jar lids that just won't budge. Using a simple rubber band, we showed you how to add that extra grip, making those jars pop open in a jiffy. No more straining your wrists or hunting for that elusive jar opener. Finally, we addressed the often messy task of peeling hard-boiled eggs. With a little water and a shake, you can remove the shells in one fell swoop, leaving you with a perfectly smooth egg. These hacks are not just about doing things differently, they're about saving your precious time and reducing unnecessary effort in the kitchen. Small changes can make a big difference, and we're here to help you discover those changes. If you enjoyed these hacks and want more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We constantly update with new tips and tricks to help you navigate your kitchen with ease. Remember, it's not just about cooking, it's about enjoying the process. Until next time, happy cooking!